We all love to take back home souvenirs wherever we've been for the holidays. If you're going back home from Iran, then I'm sure that you have a long list to choose from. But if you're looking for the latest sensation, then I suggest you watch our next feature.
24-karat gold is the new sensation of the 21st century, but Iranian craftspeople have taken it to a whole new level. What you see here in this small shop is only a handful of gold foil artifacts that you can choose from if you're looking for a luxury gift to remember Iran by.
Now I've come to a workshop in the heart of Tehran to see how these intricately designed gold pieces are made.
Working with the extremely fine sheets of gold requires a lot of patience. Every picture is made up of several small pieces, but cutting out the tiny shapes is one thing and putting them together another. Most of the time, the tiny shapes that are cut out are curved, bent, folded, or embossed with even more detailed patterns before they're attached on their classic black velvet background. The main challenge here is to create three-dimensional patterns using very thin two-dimensional gold sheets.
خب کار خیلی کار جدیدیه. مسلما اگه سابقه پیشینه هنری هم داشته باشی اینجا میای باید کلا از صفر یاد بگیری مراحل کارو. خب یه کاریه که با طلا انجام میشه. این ورقایی که طلا همونطور که میبینین نمونه کارا رو یکم بود پیدا کنه کار روش میشه. حالا حالت داده میشه، ارتفاعات مختلف به کار میدیم، پایه زده میشه، رنگ توی کار میاد یه جاهایی که این کار حالا روح پیدا کنه، بود پیدا کنه، به صورت سه‌بعدی اجرا شه.
And the pièce de résistance. All of the techniques that we previously saw have been applied to make this beautiful masterpiece.
As always, Iran owes much of its exquisite works of art to religion. This is a tribute to the much-revered Imam Reza, peace be upon him, the 8th Imam of Shia Muslims, whose holy shrine is in the northeastern city of Mashhad. This artifact has actually been inspired by the interior side of the dome of the holy shrine.
برای اینکه این کالا و این اثر هنری و به نوعی میشه گفت کار دست ارائه بشه و از ضمانت‌های خودش برخوردار باشه، ما برای هر کالایی ضمانتنامه که بر اساس مجوزهای قانونی که از دوایر دولتی تهیه شده 24 عیار بودن این طلا رو ضمانت میکنیم و هر کدوم از کالاها دارای یک سریاله و ردیابیش خیلی راحت میشه انجام بدیم که این کالای اصله.
The final stage is packing. The artisans carefully place these impeccable artifacts into special decorative wooden frames. The luxurious presentation box also includes a certificate of authenticity and warranty.
Now, if you're looking for something different than the usual Iranian handicraft or the well-known handmade carpets to take home as a memento from Iran, these are your perfect option.